So before you install the tablet, it's always easier to take the centerpiece out, I find. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pull off this rubber piece in the middle. Then I'm going to line up the mount for the tablet, take off the double-sided tape, install it, and wait about 2 hours before I go any further. So here we go. So this is what the mount will look like when you install it. The mount itself will touch the very bottom of the cavity. It's connected via double-sided tape, and it's very solid. It won't go anywhere. I'm going to let it sit for a couple hours, and then I'm going to do the install of the tablet. But next, let's look at the wiring. There are two ways to wire up the system. You can utilize the factory 12 volt that's in the middle dash piece, or you can get the optional 12 volt accessory. That's what this is here. So I have this connected to the actual bus, which is located underneath here, the 12 volt on and off via key. I then wired it up here, and it fits perfectly right in the spot here. Slides right in there. This here is going to be the plug for the tablet. You simply push it in there, and it's hardwired to your system. So this will now work with key on, key off, just like a car will. And it's hidden, it's out of the way. It's just a nice, clean, simple install. So this has been sitting for about 2 hours, and as you can see on the left, I also drilled a little hole. That's for access for the 12 volt power source to the tablet, so it's hidden. Now let's get this mounted back up inside the side-by-side. So everything's being put back together. Now the tablet can come on and off without any tools. It just slides in place like that, giving you a nice clean installation. What I like about this is you can take the tablet out if you want to wash the side-by-side, so you won't damage it. It just slides right in, and there you go. Key on, wait a second or two, it'll turn on. This home screen can be changed. Just simply add something via your SD card, you can upload it. This screen will stay on for about 13 seconds because right now it's searching for a phone is what it's doing. Once it does find the phone, it'll go to either CarPlay or Android mode, which will be about now. There we go. So again, we have on X off my phone. We have music. Hit the pause button because I don't want infringement issues. We can pretty much look at anything we want to that is like on our phone. Very nice system. Now there's also a reverse camera for this too. I have not installed it yet, but you can do so. It comes with it. So again, for the price of this system, it can't be beat. It looks OEM. It's nice, clean. This is removable, so you can pop it off, put it to the side when you're hosing down your side-by-side so you won't ruin anything. So that is it. That is our tablet that we have for the Kawasaki Ridge here at theatvsuperstore.com. Any questions regarding this or any other product, please give me a call at 815-321-3888 or send me an email to theatvsuperstore@gmail.com. My name is Thor. I am the owner. I've been doing this for many, many, many years. I love the Ridge. It's a fun toy. I like making stuff for it. I've had it now for, this is actually my second one. This one here is about 400 miles on it so far. Great unit. Again, this also is connected, I forgot, to my JBL versus getting a full speaker system. I'm happy with this. I have it hardwired via a connection here. By doing so, this will last about 4 to 5 days without me having to charge it via Bluetooth, which will last probably about a day. So again, great system for the money. Any questions? Let me know. Have a great day, everybody.